G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Just doing a quick episode on how to clean a squid. I went out on the kayak today and caught a few. I'm going to be releasing a catch and cook video next week, but this week's just going to be a cleaning video, so let's get stuck into it. So first what we're going to do is we're going to want to remove the head from the body. So if you have a look, you want to run your finger down the top of the head. Now it has an ink sac in there, you want to be careful not to break that. So you just want to put your finger down the back and just separate it. You'll feel it separating. Just be gentle. Just little pushes. You'll feel it all sort of come away. And slowly pull it all out. Beautiful. There's the head. I think that's the ink sac there. But that's not really black, is it? The ink sac somewhere. But anyway, we're not going to need the head, we need the tentacles. So I'll just pop this hood to the side. Get a knife. You want to cut just in front of the eyes. And you'll feel a beak. Just cut behind that, like so. Now we don't need the head, that can go in the bin. So we're going to eat the tentacles. If you want to spend time to try and get the skin off the tentacles, you can. I wouldn't bother, I really wouldn't. That's the beak, the squid's mouth. So you just want to push that off. Rip that out. And then we're left with the tentacles. So we're going to eat those, so we'll put them in a bowl. So now with the hood, what's known as the pen, or I like to call it the feather, it's like the backbone of the squid, so it's here. So you just want to pull this little skin back up here, and you can normally get it to poke out, and then you can start to pull it out. See it there? Then you just want to run your finger down the top of it, all the way to the back. And release it, and pull it out. Beautiful. So that's the pen, the gladius, I think it's pronounced, or I like just to call it the feather. Don't need that. Pretty cool, but now what we're going to do, we're going to keep the wings on. Now it's difficult just to try and skin it, I find, although this one's skin's coming out quite easy, but what I find, you can sit there and pull the skin off and sit there and do it like that, but the best way I find is to turn it upside down. You just want to put, see that? If you run your finger in between the wing and the main part of the hood, you'll feel like a cartilage, and you can just run your finger through that, like that, and it'll start to pull away from the hood, the wings and all the skin. So we'll do that side, like that, and we'll spin it, so it's all starting to peel off together. Keep turning it, keep pulling the skin around, all the way to the top. And back over the other side, same thing. Right, sort of split the hood and the wing apart. You can feel it, get your finger in there, all the way out. And there you go. Alright guys, I'm just giving it a quick rinse. The outside's all clean. I'm going to come down the end. You just want to poke, try and get your finger in the middle. This is tricky, this. That's what you want. You want to poke that, the end, and just roll it over your finger. And you want to turn it inside out. Now bear in mind, squid are very slimy and slippery. So it can be a little bit of work sometimes. So that's it there. I'm going to get all these guts out, all these guts off. Now what is that? Can you guys see that? Is that eggs? Let me know in the comments if anyone thinks that's eggs. I've never seen squid eggs, but that could be little baby squid eggs. Let me know in the comments. But anyway, same thing. Just want to get your finger under the main part of the skin and just peel it all off, because you don't want any of this on your tube. Beautiful. I'll just give this a quick rinse. There we have it, guys. There's our clean tube. Inside and out cleaned. I'm going to put that to the side because we're going to stuff this in the next video. Now with the wings, this is what's got all the skin attached. If you just get a sharp knife and just hold the cartilage, just run your knife down the side of it like that. And just cut it in half. You can pull all the skin away from the wing. Beautiful. It's on the other side. Quick scrape. And there we have it. Now with the cartilage, you can eat this cartilage part. It's just a bit gritty, so I like to try and cut it off. So what I'll do, I'll just try and slice it along the side of it. Try and keep as much of the wing meat as we can. Now you can eat this cartilage. I've done it plenty of times. It's just chewy. What's going on here? I'm gonna cut through. There you go. Get rid of the cartilage part. And there's our wing. I'll do that with the other one. Just guide your knife along it, all the way. Most of it just pulls away, but you get some parts that will stay. A little bit of skin on the edge won't hurt you. Like I said, you can leave it like this with the cartilage on. Get a bit more in it, but it's just like I said, a bit chewy, a bit gritty. So I just like to cut it off. Try and leave as much of the wing meat on as possible. And there you go. Don't waste the wings. Good eating. Alright guys, that's how you clean a squid. Probably made it look a bit harder than it is. But yeah, we've got our clean tube. We're going to be stuffing that in the next video. I'm going to be doing it now for dinner. So you got your tubes, stuff them. You've got your wings. People throw these out. You don't need to. You can leave the cartilage on them. I'll just take it off. People waste that. It's good. Good eating. And obviously our tentacles. Good eating as well. I'll probably just salt and pepper these. The wings and the tentacles and the tubes getting stuffed. Now next week you'll be able to see that video. It was an awesome day out in the water and I'm sure this cook up's going to be amazing. So hit the subscribe button, you'll be notified when that video comes out, and yeah, let me know what you think. And if you think those were squid eggs, let me know in the comments, because I believe they are. I've never seen them before. Anyway, I'm out. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you next week.